I mean, this thing is just straight out of the box because that's all I can fucking say for either scope. But god damn, this thing here is an actual fucking bargain if it works, compared to that other bullshit is just selling people fucking trash and making it look good. Perfect. This is going to be really loud. Right, 8. Hoo! That's not bad at all. Damn, that thing thunders. Holy fuck. Yeah, that has a little more authority to it than the PAP does. Just a hair.